Hello everybody, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. Hope you are all doing good. So let's do some baking today. We are going to bake the very popular Martha Stewart's lemon currant cookies. They are so delicious, sweet and tangy flavors, and you follow the instructions exactly, the measurements, ingredients, and they come out perfect. They are a little softer inside and the outer texture is little firm and they taste divine. So shall we proceed to bake these cookies?
For these cookies, you will require all-purpose flour or maida 3/4 cup, icing sugar 1/2 cup, black currants 1/4 cup, butter unsalted 1/4 cup, sour cream 1/8 cup, 1 egg, salt 1/8 teaspoon, baking powder 1/8 teaspoon, and lemon zest 1 teaspoon. This flavors the cookies. If you want eggless recipe, skip the egg and add little more of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of milk. The detailed recipe link is given in the description box. Now let's begin by sifting the flour, salt and baking powder. Sift them into a bowl and mix them with a spoon. Now transfer the icing sugar and butter in a large mixing bowl. Remember to use unsalted butter. Beat them until light and fluffy. All the ingredients have to be at room temperature. Now this is done. We'll add the sour cream and the egg. Beat them together again. As I mentioned earlier, if you want to skip the egg, you add little more baking powder and 2 tablespoons of milk. With the help of a small spatula or a spoon, clear the edges so that everything is combined very well. Now we will spoon in the sifted flour little by little and continue beating until all the flour is used up. These cookies are very easy to make and they really taste very good. This is a no-fail recipe if you follow the measurements and instructions exactly. Now all the flour is gone into the bowl. Beat it well. Again remove from the edges all the dough into the middle. Beat it little more until it's nice and creamy. Add the lemon zest now and the black currants. Beat them together. In this recipe, we are not using any flavoring of vanilla essence or any essence. Now, transfer the mixture into a piping bag with a big nozzle. We are going to pipe out the cookies because the texture of this is little thinner. This is a different kind of cookie. Usually we roll out the cookies and cut the shapes. Close the bag. You can use it this way, or if you want you can fix it with a rubber band or a sellotape. Now line the baking tray with a butter paper and grease it liberally. This is done. Now we are going to pipe out the cookies. Leave 1.5 inch space in between because these will flatten on baking. So make sure there is enough space, at least 1.5 inch in between. You can pipe out the desired size. I like smaller cookies. You can make slightly bigger ones if you wish. Bake them in a preheated oven at 180 C. It takes about 12 to 15 minutes depending on the size of the cookies and the oven used. When you see the edges are little brownish, this is the time you have to remove and cool them. Initially they might look softer to touch, but then on leaving they become firm and nice. So the cookies are ready for you to enjoy. Look at the lovely texture, perfectly baked. Let's check out the taste. Wow, looks so nice. Slightly softer texture and the taste is amazing. That sweet and tangy flavors. Tanginess comes from the lemon zest and black currants. So friends, these cookies are really amazing. You have to make them. From this quantity, small size cookies, we get 3 dozens. If you make larger, you might get 2 dozens. So give them a try. These are the very popular Martha Stewart cookies, lemon and black currant cookies. Make and enjoy. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.